Okay. Something, Charlotte, you sing something from school, and then Ella, you sing something from school. Charlotte, go ahead. You have the floor. Okay, Ella, you have the floor. How about the months of the years?
January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
Very good. Okay, Charlotte, your turn.
And the haunted house.
Okay, haunted house song. I don't remember how that goes.
I don't know.
Is it the 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate?
It's called like this.
Okay.
5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate.
Not that one? Okay, well, let Gigi do that one first.
5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready
For some fun.
Whoosh,
Whoosh,
with the
whoosh,
wind, and out went the lights, and the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight.
Oh, very good. Now, what's the one with the 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate? That was the one?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's just,
Very good. How about you, Charlotte? What's the haunted house one?
no, I wanna.
Maybe we'll see it tomorrow.
School.
Oh, maybe you're going to show us tomorrow because tomorrow's the party. Yes?
Yeah, I need to on mine.
I'm going to be a party helper. Okay.
Here we are, far from home, a little bit hungry and a little alone, but it's alright. And it just might. Weekends are again. Can't go back, gotta go on. Stick together, stay strong to the diamond castle. And my someday soon we're going to find it. We're going to find it someday soon.
Very good. I like the part about you have to stay strong and stick together. Wait, how does that go? We'll stay in strong.
Together, staying
And
strong,
strong.
and the
It's all right. Also, in my mind, someday soon, you're gonna find it.
You're going to find it
Day
someday
soon. Very good.
Hi.
Hi.
A circus and fly with me all the time. You hear me, and everything else is going to be alright. Nothing could break this. Nothing could break this. Nothing could break this tie. Connected.
Very good. Well, one person can sound connected and the other connected, right? And that's called a harmony. Who wants to sing the high part?
Me.
Okay, so you sing connected, and then you can connected. Okay. Okay.
Nothing could break this. Actually, Charlotte just talked. I'll just sing.
Okay.
Nothing could break this.
So do this. No?
Protected.
Okay, you can sing. Okay.
Nothing could break this. Nothing could break this. No, it's not the right song.
That's okay. Nothing can break this tie. Connected. All right.
Connected, protected. It's like a singing fly with me all the time. You hear me, and everything else is going to be alright.
Getting
Nothing
closer.
Could break this.
Getting
Nothing
closer.
Could break this. Nothing could break this tie. Connected.
Very good. Take a bow. Now, which princess are you?
Me. I'm Alexa.
And you are?
Liana.
Liana? Okay.